Yeah, I'm very happy, but sometimes a bit sad. That's the end of the conference, sadly. But at the same time, it was a great conference. So yeah, that's the time to close this conference. And we would like first to thank all our sponsors. So special thanks to our platinum sponsor, Get Your Guide. Thanks to them, we make the conference possible. So yeah, thank you, Get Your Guide. And yeah, congrats on the 3 winners of the GYG raffles, Shannon, Sarah, and Thomas, that got a €100 voucher. Also, thank you to the LT Hub that made also, that was also platinum sponsors. So I want to thank our gold sponsors, ProCube and Distill Lab. Thanks a lot to make that happen. And congrats on the winner of the Lego giveaway from ProCube. And also thanks to our serial sponsor, Reve, SpareCores, Pretix, and Posit. Thank you very much. And a big thanks to Irina, who is not here today, but who has been doing a lot of the communication with the sponsors. Yes. And, yay. Big thanks also for our diversity sponsors that enabled to have the diversity committee to help underrepresented group to be here. So thank you, Python Software Command, the EuroPython Society. Yeah, thank you for making that possible. Finally, thank you for our institutional sponsors, Pioneer Hub, thanks Alex, and NumFOCUS, that's also made this conference possible. And thank you also for the city of Berlin. Yes. Yes. But I would like to thank everyone that made this conference possible, especially thanks to the BCC and the staffs that, who are hosting us. Also thanks to Gonzo to make all the recording of the videos. So yeah, thanks a lot. And also special thanks to all the organization and the volunteers that I will ask to come on stage with me. Please come. Yes. I would like to thank also all the session chairs that helps make all the talks go smoothly. Thanks a lot. I want to thank also all the speakers who made a great presentation. Thanks again. And also, yeah, thanks for all the organizers who spent a lot of time in the evening before the conference to make this possible. Thank you. Thank you. thanks to PyLadies and Empowering Tech, that special relationship, and all the things that they made possible. So, yeah, thank you. So, yeah, with that, I think now we can go to the videos. Here again, I hope it's not a surprise to see this website at this point. But yeah, the video here are already available we'll make them available to everyone on YouTube. But already you can rewatch any of the first 2 days using this website. And even the third day we'll have the rough cuts later today.
Will be ready later.
Ready later, so yeah.
I think so, right?
Yeah, we were saying yes. Perfect. Yes. And yeah, PyData Berlin. So if you want to speak at our monthly meetup, if you want to host, or you think your company want to host a meetup, maybe you also want to join the PyData meetup, please contact us. Here's our website. You have the form to speak. You have the way to contact us. So yeah, do not hesitate. Yeah, and maybe you want to join one of our meetup. Here is our meetup page, and we have a monthly PyData Berlin meetup. We usually have it on the third Wednesday of the month. We might make a small break in September just to rest, but October for sure we'll be back. Do not hesitate to join our Discord server. This is the one that we use for the conference, but we also want to keep it alive all year round for connecting with the PyData Berlin community. Then do not hesitate to spread the word and share your insights. You can follow up on LinkedIn, and we just created Instagram accounts. Yeah, do not forget to tag PyData Berlin if you put anything. It will be very helpful. And if you are looking for some content, some picture, you can get the conference photos. So we made a Google photo album, and we would like a special thanks to our volunteer photographer that made that possible. And now I would ask the Code of Conduct Committee for the press.
Yeah, we're happy to announce that there were no reported incidents of violation of the Code of Conduct. So thank you very much, and well done, everyone.
And yeah, last thing that we want to say is your opinion matters. So we have a feedback form. Please fill it when you are going back home tonight. That will be very helpful. It was great to have you. We think we can make it even better, and for that, your feedback will help us a lot. So thank you very much. And with that, I think we can say see you next year. Thank you.